Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to promote a server to a Windows Active Directory, and for this video I'll be using Windows Server 2016 Data Center Edition. This is a plain Windows installation. I have just renamed the system, so as of now there is nothing else which I have done so far, so we'll start just by promoting this server to the main controller. So for that we have to open up the server manager and add the feature of Active Directory domain services, and initially that's all what we need. We'll have to install this. It will take some time, and once that is done we will promote this machine to domain controller. Okay, so feature installation is complete. Now the Windows is saying is to promote this machine to domain controller. We'll be adding a new Active Directory domain, SQL helpline. Sorry. So this will be the new domain. We'll set up the password. We'll just ignore this warning. Yeah, we'll accept this name. Next. Sure, we'll accept the defaults. Next, this will take some time, so once this is done we'll have to further do some configurations. Okay, so installation has been completed. We will now see that SQLhelpline.com SQL Helpline is the domain now. We'll just log in with the domain administrator. So next thing we have to see is to assign the static IP. So I've just noted down that IPs for my record, so we'll just assign that. We have to disable the IPv6, enable IPv4, assign the IPs. So now we can see that now the domain is up and running, and there should be no problem if we have to join any other machine to this domain. For instance, for example, we can just power on any other machine without any domain, and we will see how it will join to this domain. Ideally, once we have the domain up and running, so we have to just assign the IP to this new machine, and it should be up and running to join the machine, to join the domain. Okay, so let's see if this machine has IP and name mentioned right. Okay, this is the plain installation. I will just assign this machine a new IP, again we have to disable the IPv6, enable IPv4. We'll just copy the already determined IPs. Just ping the Active Directory. It should be available now. Okay, good enough. It is pinging. Now we will just change the name of this machine to be SQL Node 1 and join to domain as well. SQL .local. This will ask for the permissions. I will just log in from domain admin, and ideally that should be all. And we will just see a welcome message from the domain. Got it. So this message means that this computer is joined to the domain, and once it is restarted, we will see a computer object for this computer in the Active Directory. So that would be all. I will just show you the computer object. It should be there in the Active Directory. Computers. SQL helpline.local computers. This is the entry which is being made by the other machine. So that's all. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.